Hey there, this is a cold start video of the CB. Here it is. Just want to show that it is stone cold. It's been sitting in the garage overnight. So let's see what we got here. Turn it on, fully engage the choke, turn it to run, give it one little goose, and then so that was that. Starts right up when it's cold. You could see that the choke, when I pull the choke, it at the top of the choke, it engages the throttle just a little bit for the fast idle when cold, which helps a lot. And as it starts to warm up, you can ease the choke down and release that fast idle, and it'll idle. Once it's warmed up, it idles right around 1400 RPM, and that's it.